How to fix Call of Duty Warzone mobile unsupported GPU. So if the Call of Duty Warzone mobile is unsupported, or if you're facing a problem, if you're unable to launch and getting the error, then there are some possible fixes for Call of Duty Warzone's mobile unsupported GPU error. So here, if you go for any browser or any Google, then it says that you need to restart your device or you need to reinstall the game. So simply restart your device, press and hold on to your power button, and here you will have restart option. Restart your device and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to reinstall the game. So simply first first uninstall. And once you uninstall the application, you just need to go and install the application again and your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to update your software. Ensure you have the latest software updates for both Call of Duty, Warzone Mobile and your phone's operating system. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues. And restart your device, and you need to go for the developer options. So first go for the settings and you need to turn on the developer options. And once you turn on the developer options, you need to simply go for the GPU rendering or forcing lower resolutions. So I'll show you that thing. What you need to do is first open up your settings on your device. Once you open, now you need to scroll down and go for the system. Under system, here I have the developer mode option, right? But if you don't have the developer mode option, then what you need to do is you just need to go for a build number. So search for the build number under your settings, go for search and search for build number. Once you search for build number, you will have the build number. You just need to tap the build number for 7 to 8 times. And once you tap on it, then here it says I already have the developer option, right? That means I don't need to tap on it. But if your developer mode or your developer option is not available, then tap on the build number and you will get the developer mode option. So once you get that, you need to again go for the developer mode options. So tap on system, go for developer options, and here you just need to go and search for GPU option. And here you will have your GPU options, right? So you just need to go for the GPU and then you need to allow the GPU option, and again go back and again go for the second GPU option and then again allow. And here you will have debug GPU overdraw, tap on off. And once you've done all of these settings, simply make the settings under the GPU and your problem will be fixed. And the next thing is, if your device falls below the minimum specifications like unsupported devices, there's no guaranteed fix. You might have to wait for the developers to optimize the game for weaker hardware or use a different device. And make sure to avoid the methods that involve modifying game files or downloading unofficial app stores. So you just need to avoid the third-party applications. These can be risky and might not work potentially but harm your device. But if these solutions doesn't work, then try to contact the Call of Duty Help Center and you will get some help. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.